Good day. Yeah, I'm here to display how to submit articles using the Open Journal System, OJS. I'm doing this video record for Western Nigerian Journal of Medical Sciences. This is a journal that is owned and run by Junior Osun Teaching Hospital at Oshogbo in Osun State. So I am going to register a new user and I'm going to submit so that we'll see how the process is. The journal system is running on the current version 3.3.0.11. So I use, this is the landing page of the journal system. And when you click on register, it takes you to the registration page. I'm going to use for the process of this video, I'm going to use a plugin that is called Fake Filler, just to fill the names so that it could be fast. But the Open Journal system has a very strong authentication security. It means if your email is not correct, you won't be able to log in because it will actually send a mail to acknowledge your registration. So I'm going to use the fake filler for the name, but I'm going to change this email to a functioning email. So after registration, it will take you to this page where it tells you that registration is complete and you can take the next step. So you have view submissions, make a new submission, edit profile, and continue browsing. So I'm going to make a new submission because I'm working as an author and I want to submit my article. So when I click on this, make a new submission, it's going to take me to a page, and it is advisable that before you think of submitting your article to the journal system, you must have go through the author's guideline, read the policies and others. So I have to check these boxes in order to be able to submit my article. And okay, I would like to be contacted. So if you have comment for the editor, you can put the comment in this box, but in the case you don't have any, click on save and continue. So this is the second section where we are going to upload a journal. So I'm going to look for a text for a Word document, and I'm going to use that. So let's use this, and now this is another thing most people don't understand. We have it prompts after uploading that. What kind of file is this? So it's asking, is it a text or a type of other document? So when you click on other, you see the list. So we have the research instruments, we have the research materials, we have research results, transcript, data analysis, data set, source, others, source test, others. So for this, I'm going to click on article text. But when you're submitting yours, you click the one that is appropriate for the documents you are uploading. So when I click on save, now my article that I'm submitting has been saved, has been uploaded successfully. So the next place we are going to is the metadata. So when I click on save and continue, it comes to the metadata. So in web development, what metadata is actually used in search engine optimization, which is SEO. So where metadata is where you use certain keywords to rank on Google search. So OJS apply this this method too in their submission, and it's been part of article submission right from the beginning. Anytime you are submitting a new article to a journal system, you definitely have keywords. So these keywords is what Google will extract, and anytime someone is searching between the range of your keywords, there is every tendency that your article may pop up on the Google search. So let's give it a title. Let's give this, I'm going to check a random title. So let's make this the title. I'm going to use random text as the abstract. So let's say this is my abstract, which is very short, brief, and of course. So now, for example, we have another issue here. You know, you're the one that registered, and actually, the article, when you are doing the research, you have contributors who did the research with you, but at the point of registration, you didn't include them because you can't include them. But this is where you can include them. So when you click on Add Contributor, a pop-up menu, a pop-up form will come up where you can enter the name, the credentials of the contributors. You can have more than 1, 2, 3, 10 contributors. All you need to do is click on Add Contributors to add them. And when you're doing that, you have to take note of some certain things. Everywhere you see this red asterisk, it means it is important. It is not something you can skip. It is required, and you must fix something there. For example, the given name. So let's give this person a name. So this is the family name. So how would I prefer to be how do I prefer to be called? So I'm going to put a prof there. Then this is the contact email. So the country is Nigeria. The user details. Now, if you have a website, you can put your website here. If you have an OKID ID, you can input your OKID ID. In my own case, no OKID ID, and I'm not including uh, a website. So where is the affiliation? Let's use this for now. So if you want to put the biography of that person, the department and rank, you can actually enter it there. So the contributor's role is a translator or an author. So if it's an author or a translator, you select the appropriate. And another thing here is that principal contact for editorial correspondence. So if you want this person to be made a principal contact, you can check the button here. Immediately, the person will become the principal contact. It means they won't send correspondence to your email again, but to this person's email. So I'm not going to choose that because I want to get the notification myself. So click on save. Now, as you can see, we have two authors now here. So now I'm going to put the keywords. So you have to put keywords, and you have to put comma. So every time you add a new keyword, you have to put comma. So for example, thanks, comma, comma, text, thanks, comma, text, comma, text, comma, and, source. So these are the keywords. I click on save and continue. So brings me to the confirmation page where I'm going to confirm where I'm going to confirm the submission. So it says your submission has been uploaded and is ready to be sent. You may go back to review and adjust any of the information you have entered before continuing. When you're ready, click finish submission. So once I click finish submission, it gives a pop-up and notification. Are you sure you wish to submit this article to the journal? Click on OK. You're going to receive an email anytime you submit a new article to the journal system. You're going to get notification in your email from the journal system to notify you that your submission has been successful. So thank you for watching, and this is how you submit your journal system anytime you wish to submit. Thank you.